Mana! Mana! Ano ka?
A few moments later.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, nurse. My doctor has been complaining of a head case since last night.
Alright. I will help you. May I know your name?
My name is Veron Andres Rutikanus.
Okay, Veron. When did the headache start?
It started last night before I went to bed, and it's still three now.
I see. Is the pain throbbing or more like a pressure?
It feels more like a throbbing pain.
Alright. Do you feel any nose, vomiting, or blurred vision?
I feel a little nauseous earlier, but I haven't vomited.
Okay. I will check your blood pressure and temperature first. After that, the doctor will examine you further.
All right, thank you, nurse.
You are welcome. While waiting, I suggest you rest for a while, avoid looking at screen too long, and drink plenty of water. If the headache gets worse or you start vomiting, please let us know right away.
Okay, thank you for your advice, nurse.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. I hope you feel better soon.